Are you ready to turn your passion into a profession? At Hampton Roads Cosmetology Training Center, we help students build rewarding careers in the beauty industry through hands-on training, experienced instructors, and a supportive learning environment. Whether your dream is to become a licensed cosmetologist, barber, nail technician, or wax technician, your future starts here. We're licensed by the Virginia Department of Professional and Occupational Regulation and certified to operate by the State Council of Higher Education for Virginia, giving you the confidence that you're training with a trusted institution. No experience? No problem. We provide the training, you bring the ambition. Take the first step toward the career you've always wanted. Visit us at www.hrctc.net. Call 757-577-4590 or stop by 1739 Parkview Drive, Chesapeake, Virginia, 23320. We train. You succeed. Your future begins here.